It's time to create your first design. Start by tapping on this button and choosing your design type. In this video, we'll begin with a presentation, one of Canva's most commonly used document types, and use it to explore the editor, its features, and capabilities. This is truly the space where all your ideas come to life. Before we start designing, let's take a look around the editor. To add a new page to your document, tap the plus button here. Duplicate the pages like this. Pinch to see your pages in grid view, which is handy for multi-page documents and bulk edits. Want to delete a page? Just select it and click the trash icon. Of course, you can always undo mistakes here. Double tap on a page to hide the thumbnails. Zoom in by pinching 2 fingers. And drag the page around with 1 finger. At the bottom is a panel where you can find resources to use in your projects. The Design tab contains templates, layouts, and styles that can be applied to your whole design. We'll come back to this later. The Elements tab holds an incredibly large selection of graphics, videos, charts, and so much more. Then you have the Text tab, Camera Roll, Brand tab, and Uploads tab, which we'll cover in more detail later. The Draw tab allows you to quickly illustrate, mark up, and highlight things on the page. The Project tab gives you quick access to your other files and folders. And finally, the Apps tab opens up Canva's App Marketplace, home to hundreds of apps allowing you to streamline your workflow, just the way you like it. We won't spend too much time here during this course, but exciting new apps are constantly coming out, so it's definitely worth exploring. Let's explore some useful options in the top menu, starting with the previously mentioned Undo button, which is right next to the Redo button. These 3 dots contain the main editor menu, where you can create a new design, resize, move it to a folder, make a copy, or even share your design. Note the Save icon here. Canva autosaves when you're working online. This shows you're currently online, and all changes are saved. Access insights here, like how many times your design has been viewed. It's currently 0 because we haven't shared access with anyone. At the top is the name of your design. This design is untitled, so let's add a name. In Settings, you can add guides and choose from columns, grid, or custom layout. Helpful when you need to make sure everything is aligned correctly. You'll notice that when you move objects around, smart guides will appear, and the object will snap to any guide you've created. Don't worry, these guides won't show up when you download or print. If guides are getting in the way, just hide or clear them in the Settings menu. Margins show page edges, while Bleed extends your design for full-edge professional printing. This button opens Resize and Magic Switch. It's a paid feature allowing you to quickly resize designs to other document sizes, or switch to a completely new format or language with the help of AI. It's a huge time saver. This button presents your design in full screen. Tap here to go back to the editor. Comments, just like Insights, is empty. After you've shared it, you'll be able to come here to quickly review everything that's been said or commented upon. To share it, tap here. Just type in their email address and allow them to edit, comment, or view. You can also change the access here. Copy the collaboration link and send that to people, giving them instant access. In the Share menu, you can also download your design or, if you scroll across, share direct to social media. And here are the print options. and Canva, printing and free delivery are just a click away, with a 100% happiness guarantee. Look at how many choices there are. Now, let's get back to customizing our template and explore the Design tab. Depending on the type of design, you'll see 3 options: templates, layouts, and styles. In templates, you can search for an alternative design based on your current document type. This is a presentation document type, so that's what it's showing me. Tap 1 to see a preview. Some templates have a single page, while others feature multiple pages crafted in a consistent style, like this one. You can tap one page, and it will replace your current slide. Or you can choose all the pages here. You can also just apply the style to what you already have. Back on the Design tab, you'll see another option for styles. This has color combinations. Font sets. And you can use styles from your recent designs. Really handy if you're trying to create a cohesive feel across several documents. The final menu item here is Layouts. This uses AI to suggest different layouts for your current page. This is helpful if you feel like your pages are feeling too similar. Okay, that's the editor tour. Are you ready to start designing? Bounding boxes appear when you tap Page Elements. When an element is selected, you'll see handles and a floating toolbar appear. Dragging these circular corner handles allows you to make things bigger or smaller. These other handles allow you to adjust the size of the bounding box. Rotate by tapping and dragging here. Tap and drag the element to move it around. Double tap any text to begin editing it. Once you're done, tap off the page to deselect everything. To group elements together, tap and hold on an element. Then choose Select Multiple. Select the next elements and tap Group. Now, if you try to move one, the group will also move. To ungroup elements, select it and tap Ungroup. In the floating toolbar, you'll see some quick actions like Comment, Duplicate, or Trash. Tap here, and you'll get the full menu. When something is selected, this bottom menu will have a lot of options. You can change color, crop, flip, or even animate elements. Layers will adjust visibility for overlapping elements, moving them up or down in the visual layer stack. In Position, you can arrange or align objects to the page and to each other. Nudge allows you to precisely move an object in small increments. Great for fine adjustments. We'll dive deeper into this menu later on. And that's your introduction to Canva's editor and the start of your first design. The best way to build your confidence and knowledge is to continue playing and exploring. So why not take a break from this course and finish off your design? Incorporate some images, tweak the text, adjust some sizes, and rotate other elements. Just have fun. We'll be right here, ready to resume the course whenever you are.